Hi, I'm watercolor artist Angela Fair. One thing you'll find out about me as you watch my videos here on YouTube is that I'm really passionate about the supplies that I use. A long time ago, I discovered watercolor paint by Daniel Smith, and Daniel Smith watercolor paint has my heart. I've used other brands, I've used different colors, and I come back to Daniel Smith over and over again because I love the beauty of the colors, the range of selection, the texture, and the variety that's created with these amazing American-made pigments. Recently, Daniel Smith created their half pan sets. These are little palettes. You can see one right here, just little fits in the hand, with 6 different colors inside. I think this one I've actually used. Oh yeah, this one is their Colors of Inspiration set, and you can see it has 6 different colors plus space for you to add your own colors. And I have 2 of those to give away. I have their Ultimate Mixing set of 15, and I have their Sketcher set, which is a set of 6. And I'm going to be giving those away along with my very favorite watercolor brush, the Escoda Versatile number 10 Rigger. I've got 2 here because I'm giving away 2 prizes. And my favorite paper, which is Arches Cold Press. And this is a handy, easy to use pad of 9 by 12 inch cold press paper, and one of my favorites to use for workshops and classes. Of course, watercolor paint is no fun to use if you don't know what you're doing, so I'm also including with those kits access to my online watercolor classes at learn.angelafair.com. And all of that, those prizes are worth $250 each, and I'll be giving those away between January 25th and 29th. So you can enter by clicking the link down below and be entered to win. In addition to the giveaway, once you've signed up, I'm going to be sending you information on how to become a part of my beginner boot camp. This is a free beginner course for artists who are wanting to master watercolor, to really get a look at the techniques and learn how to use them. And that beginner boot camp will be starting in February of 2019. Please do go ahead and enter. I love being able to share some of the things I love the most about watercolor with watercolor students, other watercolor lovers from all over the world. Thanks for being a part of it. Have a great day.